Okay, here's my attempt at trying to press the bearings off an HF-35 intermediate shaft. I've heard that this can be done. I can't find information on it, so I'm going to give it a try. Got a big bearing separator here, some stuff stacked up to clear the gear there, and I'm going to see if it will come loose. Okay, it's working. Yay. Let's see if I can get it the other side apart. Alright, I'm going to try the other side. I got the bearing separator. I put it on the flat side in between the big gear for the pinion and this other gear. It seems like the pinion goes all the way through, and then there's a ring here, and then there's a bearing here, and I think these gears are separate. So I'm hoping that by supporting that gear, I'm gonna be able to press it out and not damage that gear. I don't know how else to hold on to that, so we'll try it. All right, it went, so this is loose. Press it through some more here, got some clearance on the bottom, and there it goes. So this is the pinion. Looks like it's got some splines in there. I'll see if I can get it back together. I'm pressing these gears back together. I ended up supporting the center with the old bearing because the shaft for the pinion protrudes a little bit on the bottom. I pressed that bearing on first. Then I pressed this gear on. I ended up using a piece of my ball joint adapter press to fit over the shaft. This goes on the splines, and then I'll have to press this all the way down, and then I'll press the bearing and the retainer on.